Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. I'm just going to muck around with some little kitty nosies for a while for you here. Keep it simple. Sometimes that little line at the bottom that comes up into the nose, sometimes I leave that out because sometimes it's a little bit too much information. When I put the mouth line in though, or the line that goes down to the mouth in, it sort of disappeared a bit, didn't it? So noses from different angles. Try not to darken up the nostrils too much because it can really overdo it if you do. So go easy. It's easier to put more on than it is to take it away. Yeah, I got a bit line going the wrong way there. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or whatever you want to talk to me about cats and cat drawing. I'd love to hear from you and help build this lovely community of crazy cat artists. It's really good to do just a practice page of different features. You can start differently, do it differently, whatever. My hope is that you would take what you learn from me and make it your own. There's many ways to approach it. Yeah, I kind of abandoned that one because I didn't really like it. Just got to really pay attention to angles and shapes more than anything, as with all cat drawing or all drawing. Draw what you see. And the lines that shape the nose really help place it into the face too. Help it just kind of form into the face where it's set in the cat's face. There's one that I'll do in a minute that really shows that more than the others. And more obvious to me anyways. Really pay attention to the way the nostril shapes are. It's very common to get those wrong above all. That being said, there's no right or wrong. It's all about personal style. I love that upturned one. Can really see into Kitty's nostrils. Kind of like the one at the bottom, the photo at the bottom, but not exactly. I just put some random cat nose photos on there. Try it again. You see how that nose really sits into the cheeks? This is the one I really felt. It really shows how it's tucked in there. And that's kind of like the photo that's second down from the top. Just kind of squish into those fat little cheeks. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you next time.